we said our apologies to each other. We said thank you also to each other. And we said all the love that we can nung nandun din ako sa bahay. But I think it's still important to be reminded also yung weight ng nangyari. So, hindi naman dahil porket nasabi na namin once, okay na. Because we're in the healing process. So, it's not madali. So, yun talaga, to apologize to her. Once again, to everyone, up to the family, to the friends and supporters. And also to say thank you. Because it takes two to tango eh. So, she was very also open. She also asked for forgiveness. But more than that, she was willing to take me in. And noong the remaining days na I was there, nung nag-merge na din kami, sobrang, it's still the same. Ang dami niya. She calls me Jazz and Helen for lumalabas din yung Ate Jazz. Help ako, pag ganun. So, nafe-feel ko talaga, she's really genuine when she said,